Now, let me ask you a serious question. Kung pareho kayong naghahanap ng trabaho, pareho kayong may experience, pareho kayong masipag, pero isa, marunong gumamit ng AI, yung isa, hindi. Sa palagay mo, ang mas pipiliin ng kumpanya? Well, masakit man pakinggan, pero ang realidad, ang companies right now, based on the information that I talk to mga HR department, they are not only looking for people who are computer literate, but they are now looking for people who are AI literate. Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Alam mo, sa paksa na ito, I know this will be a little bit polarizing in the sense because there are people who believes in the concept of AI, but there are some people who are not really immersed or probably hindi pa ina-accept talaga totally ang AI. Pero ang tanong siguro, papalitan ba talaga tayo ng mga taong marunong gumamit ng AI? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin. Alam niyo, nung unang panahon na ang ating mga magulang, lolo, lola, di ba? Napakasimple lang buhay. Mag-aral, maghanap ng trabaho, pagkatapos tatagal ka na, magre-retiro ka na. Pero right nowadays, because of the thing that is happening in this world, di ba? The world is changing so fast. Alam mo, ang dami pong mga college graduate ngayon nahihirapan na maghanap ng trabaho. May mga empleyado na 10 taon na hindi pa rin tumataas ng sweldo. May mga iba, di ba? Matagal na sa kumpanya. Ngayon, nawawalan rin sila ng work. May mga negosyo nalulugi because of, yun nga, what's happening with technology. At kung may mga taong nawawalan ng trabaho, may mga taong dumadami ang trabaho. Kung may mga taong nawawalan ng kita, may mga tao na malaki ang kinikita. May mga negosyo na nalugi, pero may mga negosyo right now kumikita at lumalaki. Bakit? Kasi nga, natuto sila na ma-immerse ang kanilang sarili sa pagbabago. Whether we like it or not, dati, kailangan pumasok ka ng physical office para mag-work. Pero ngayon, you can work from home. Dati, kailangan mo mag-house to house para ikaw ang makapagbenta. Pero ngayon, pwede ka na magbenta online or what we call as e-commerce. Dati, kailangan physically i-pick up mo pa yung produkto at ikaw mismo magde-deliver ng produkto. Pero ngayon, meron ng tinatawag na yung mga Lala Move, di ba? Para i-deliver ang product. Kaya nga sa panahon ngayon, mas madali. Kaya may napapansin akong bagong rule no, ng pag-asenso. Noon, the more hours you work, the more you get paid. Ngayon, the more problems you solve, the more value you create, the more money you make. At dito na pumapasok yung technology at yung tinatawag nating AI. AI is what we call as artificial intelligence. So, ano ba itong premise ng AI na ito? As a matter of fact, I went to New York last year of 2025, recording time. Nung pumunta ako sa New York sa may Jarvis Center, I attended a conference called the WOBI Conference, the World of Business Ideas. There were around 12 speakers there for over a period of 2 days. And in those 2 days time, we heard mga speakers like, for example, yung the author of Atomic Habits, si James Clear, one of the marketing expert na si Seth Godin, okay, the Purple Cow. And then out of the 12 speakers that spoke there, one clear na message na talagang pinag-usapan ng lahat na hindi nawala sa kanilang topic is yung topic ng AI. At doon talaga medyo honestly, ako medyo apprehensive din ako right from the start. And I would be honest, no, skeptical ng konti about artificial intelligence kasi nga, nothing can beat really pag ikaw talaga nag-isip, ba't mo ililipat sa makina? Pero sinabi niya, ang major na katanungan doon sa conference na yun, will AI replace people? Ang sagot nila, AI can never replace people. But, ito yung sagot, AI can replace people who refuse to learn and also use AI. Sabi ko, parang ano yun yung calculator nung unang lumabas. Diba? Ayaw gamitin ng mga tao yung calculator kasi mapupurol daw yung pag-memorize mo at pag-compute mo. Pero right nowadays, everyone, yung calculator, it's a standard already. Sinasabi nila, what AI does, it just makes your life easier. Dati, 3 oras kang gagawa ng presentation. Probably right now, it will only take you 5 to 10 minutes. Dati, kung ano yung ginagawa mong mahirap, di ba? Maghanap ka ng kliyente, napakahirap. Pero ngayon, because of AI, it will help you to find the clients that you need. In other words, AI just enhance what you already have. It just makes life easier. Pero may malaking mistake na nakikita ko ng karamihan, yung parang hindi pa masyadong open to this type of ideas. Again, if you are part of them, this is not to to judge you, but this is just normal kasi doon din ako nanggaling. Maraming taong nagsasabi, hindi naman ako marunong sa technology. Kung makailangan yan, nung bata ako, wala naman yan. Hindi naman akong programmer. Pero alam mo, ito yung na-realize ko, nowadays, hindi mo kailangan maging IT expert. Hindi mo kailangan magaling mag-code. Ang kailangan mo lang is willingness to learn. Willing ka bang matuto? Kasi kung titignan mo, yung artificial intelligence ay parang just like an employee. Ang gagawin mo lang, uutusan mo lang yung empleyado mo. Pag maganda ang pagkautos mo sa empleyado mo at kung ginawa niya, maganda yung output. So AI is just a tool to help you make your life easier. It makes your work faster. Kung employee siya, mas mabilis siya gumawa ng report, emails, presentation, make research. So in other words, hindi siya pampatagal, pampabilis siya. Number 2, ang kagandahan when you learn how to use technology, artificial intelligence, this can be also another source of income. Yun din na natutunan ko sa conference na yon. Kasi dati, honestly, ang hirap gumawa ng mga contents, ng 30-day content, anong magandang title, di ba? Or gumawa ng caption. Pero right now, because of AI, it can help. Hindi mo alam paano magsulat ng article, AI can guide you. Hindi mo alam paano yung gumawa ng marketing ideas, AI can brainstorm with you. Hindi mo ipapasa at i-rely lahat kasi yung information manggagaling pa rin sa'yo. Ipaprompt mo, pag lumabas, you can already choose anong sa palagay mo ang babagay sa'yo, di ba? And then number 3, ang pinaka-best niyan, once you are already learning how to do this, ang good news, alam mo, you can monetize by selling your expertise. Alam mo, pwede mong gawing yung expertise mo. Pwede kang gumawa ng ebook, pwede kang gumawa ng course, pwede kang gumawa ng workshop, pwede kang gumawa ng template, pwede kang gumawa ng checklist, pwede kang gumawa ng coaching. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking team. As a matter of fact, ikaw lang, pwede mo nang gamitin to at i-monetize mo. Alam mo, ang pinaka-best pa niyan. Lalo na marami akong nakikita mga freelancers. Dati, 1-2 clients lang kaya nilang i-manage because ang hirap mag-manage ng time at maglabas ng output. Pero right now, I know of mga freelancers, they have 3 to 5 clients because they're using AI to make their job faster and easier. Imagine mo, pwede ka na magkaroon ng client sa Singapore, sa Australia, sa America, Middle East, habang ikaw ay nasa sala lang because it helps you to communicate better, write better, and present yourself better. And the best part is this, once you learn and create a system, you create once, you earn repeatedly. At ito ang gusto kong maintindihan mo. Listen, kung ikaw, empleyado ka, binabayaran ka kada oras. Alam mo, pwede kang gumawa na ngayon ng digital asset na pwede siyang bayaran kahit tapos na yung trabaho mo, paulit-ulit na lang. Bakit? Kasi pwede ka na magsulat ng libro, ebook, course, video, affiliate content, template, Canva. So in other words, you are not anymore working harder, but you are also working smarter. Kaya mga kapatid, huwag tayong matakot na to be open to learn. Wala namang mawawala. AI won't make you rich, but it can make your life easier. Agree? Kung gusto mong mas balance tayo, hindi lahat ng AI opportunity ay opportunity talaga. Mag-ingat din kayo sa mga get-rich-quick scheme dyan. Baka mas-scam kayo. Pero it doesn't mean to say na may bad apples dyan. Everything is already bad. Gamitin natin tong tool and technology nito to make our lives better and faster. Kaya alam mo mga kapatid, sana wag mong sabihin na hindi ako marunong. Sabihin mo, hindi mo pa alam. Malaking pagkakaiba yon. Dahil iba yung mga taong willing matuto kesa ayaw matuto. If you ask me right now, malaki ba yung opportunity? Yes, the opportunity right now is in your hand. How can you use this AI technology in your work, in your career, in your business, in your daily work na para mapabilis ang buhay mo? So what if I can help you to teach you a very simple way on how you can apply AI to your business? Kung may negosyo ka, AI in your career, AI in your work, are you willing to learn? If you are willing to learn, just type I'm ready to learn sa comment section at mag-create ako ng isang special session just for you para ma-implement mo tong AI na to sa ginagawa mo ngayon. So, thank you very much. Always remember, the future belongs not to those who are afraid of change, but to those who are ready to embrace change. Thank you very much, and I hope that you have learned from this session. Always remember to stay open and stay change positive.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.